Kicking off our pricing journey into the world of folding e-bikes is the most affordable non-micro folding e-bike on the market, the Ecotric Starfish. This baby is only $429 and available in black, white, and a cornflower blue that I'm personally kind of partial to. It's got 20 by 1.75-inch tires, a 20-mile-per-hour top speed, and a range of between 20 and 35 miles. And if you order from them, this is, of course, delivered direct from the manufacturer to the customer with an 18-month warranty. Climbing that scale from $429 to $469 is the Ison Wheel U5, available in white, tan, and black. It features a 500-watt hub motor and a 7.8 amp-hour battery pack, providing a 20-mile-per-hour top speed. And if you want, you can get a 36-volt version of the Ecotric Cheetah for as little as $499. It does come with 20 by 4-inch fat tires, a 12.5 amp-hour battery, a nice-looking Ecotric branded hub motor with Shimano derailleur, and here's something that is very important: UL certification. And down here we have a 4.88 out of 5 stars, based on 97 reviews. And increasing the price by one crisp $20 bill, we have the Act Best Speedy, an all-terrain foldable e-bike with 1,000 watts of peak power, 3-inch fat tires, and even a suspension saddle. The UL-certified 10.4 amp-hour battery is easy to remove for charging and has a waterproof and shockproof design. The top speed is 28 miles per hour, and that battery could give you a range of up to 55 miles on a single charge. The LCD screen displays relevant information, and the Speedy also features a USB charging port, safety lights, and 5 levels of pedal assist. They also have quite the accessory lineup with baskets, helmets, mirrors, and even pannier bags. Next up in our lineup at $549 is the same bike Cy20, a lightweight folding electric bike designed for the urbs. This e-bike stands out for its tiny folding design, making it easy to store in your car trunk. The Cy20 is equipped with a 36-volt removable battery that provides a solid range for city riding. Riders tend to appreciate its robust construction and responsive customer service, which has been highlighted in multiple user reviews. And getting into that $599 price point is the Hitway BK11 folding electric bike. The BK11M's foldable design ensures easy storage, making it great for RVs, SUVs, or small living spaces. It boasts a detachable 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery that offers a cruising range of up to 55 miles, depending on conditions, of course. Safety features include dual disc brakes and integrated LED lights for visibility during night rides. The smart display keeps riders informed of speed, battery life, and distance traveled. And upping the ante by $30, we have the Windon S16 for $629. Its main features include a color display, 500-watt motor, step-through design, 7-speed drivetrain, 26-mile-per-hour top speed, and thick 4-inch wide fat tires. Oh, and the 50-mile range. You can also get 5% off by signing up for their email list. And if you have $11 more, you can get your hands on the same bike 20 XD30. And yes, that is the model name. It's about $100 more than their Cy20 model, and for the additional money, you get a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery pack, a powerful 350-watt motor that gives a 22-mile-per-hour top speed, and a range of between 30 and 60 miles. Or for $10 more, you could find yourself riding the AER Motor A20 or G20, which are the step-over and step-through models respectively. This model is particularly appealing for those seeking a budget-friendly yet capable e-bike that doesn't compromise on performance or convenience. Equipped with a 500-watt rear hub motor, riders can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. And personally, I like the orange and black color scheme. It's kinda Halloween-y. Next up, also for $649, is the GoTrax Z4 Lite. Available in black and white with this blue trim on the logo, the Z4 Lite is very portable and weighs in at just 44 pounds. And if we check out the technical specifications, this has a 350-watt hub motor, a twist throttle, and a 48-volt, 7.8 amp-hour battery. Included in that $649 price tag is also a very nice-looking rear storage rack, and the more up-to-date color display. And our third and final entrant at that $650 price point is the Hitway BK6M. Available in blue and red, but apparently sold out in black and silver, the BK6M has 20 by 3-inch fat tires and a 14 amp-hour battery pack. Now, the Windon W206 at $699 is different because it's the first entrant on this folding e-bike list to have full suspension. And if you want to save an additional $30, you could opt for the white or green colors, which are both $669 instead of $699. The folded dimensions are 14.16 inches by 21.24 inches by 11.64 inches. Next up, and also coming in at $699, is the Apis A2 Elite, another folding e-bike without a lot of marketing content, but with a stellar-looking website and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors to choose from. There's also multiple rack and fender combos you could choose from. The A2 is designed for easy portability. The folded dimensions are 32 by 22 by 28 inches. Next is the hyos C1, a green-trimmed folding e-bike that has an interesting, unique selling point. It comes with a rear seat standard. It also comes with an LCD about a 15 to 20 mile range, a 750-watt motor, front and rear disc brakes, and a removable battery. I guess now's a good time to point out that if you have $700 to spend on a folding e-bike, you're at a good price point. We have a lot of entrants to cover. Like the KBO Bikes K1, K2 series, a versatile and compact folding e-bike designed for convenience. It features a lightweight aluminum frame that allows for easy folding, while the 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery provides a long-lasting range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. The bike also includes a user-friendly LCD display. The folded dimensions are 35 by 20 by 28 inches. Also at $699 is the TotGuard Pioneer. Designed to provide enhanced stability and traction on various terrains, including sand and snow, this e-bike is the first on this list equipped with giant 16 by 4-inch fat tires and a full suspension system. And the last $699 entrant is the VIVO F1 folding e-bike, which happens to be one of my favorites on the list so far. Other things I like besides the cool, angular shape of the down tube are that you get an actual color LCD, as well as a 750-watt motor, 20 mile per hour top speed, 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery pack, and one of the longest ranges to date. Did you know the most expensive folding e-bike I could find is $4,750? If you want to see every folding e-bike on the planet between here and there, then like this video right now. If it gets enough likes, I'll put part 2 right here.